en lo que me convertí. Le molesta mi premio de compositor, pero es que no tiene ninguna tal.
Now this multi-platinum recording artist about to compete. From the underground of New York City, Damian Priest has arrived. Calm demeanor, but about to unleash chaos.
And his opponent from New York, New York.
Damian Priest, a man that made his mark on the independents, is also a man known to indulge in the party scene.
Yeah, but it's not all late nights and rock and roll for Priest. Beneath his mysterious swagger is an all-consuming commitment to success. That experience on the independents has only sharpened Priest's abilities.
And those abilities have been enough to see the Archer of Infamy rising up the ranks. I expect that we'll get everything in his quiver from Priest here tonight.
And he's in there with Machine Gun Kelly? I don't know, guys. I mean, I like this guy when he's getting slapped with a giant hand, but a WWE superstar?
I'd like to slap you in a giant hand, Saxton. Who's to say MGK can't hold his own in the ring? The man's taking a power bomb off the stage and still sold out arenas. Not to mention he wakes up next to the hottest of celebrities. That makes him tough, talented, and lucky, which is more than I can say about you.
He finds a counter for Kelly. Elbow drop right on point. Damian Priest has an air of confidence when he enters each match. How do you expect him to back up that confidence tonight, Corey?
Priest knows his way around the ring. When you combine that with his physical abilities, he makes for a punishing opponent. His experience is going to play a big part in his game plan tonight.
Enough already. If this works, it could change the course of the match.
Soaring. What a leg drop. Looking for an early pin. Two. A kick out starts the rep at two.
Almost could have been a flash finish there.
Ooh, well measured.
Oh, what a drop kick. Oh, my God. Springboard misses the target. Delivers the knee. Fails to connect on the springboard. Kelly able to adapt.
Watch out! Running bulldog. Scoop slam.
Wow, what elevation. And able to counter.
Drives a foot into the stomach.
MGK's toughness is not getting tested with that one.
Yeah, that's Priest's experience guiding him to an advantage.
And oh my God, what a fall! He reverses it.
What a shot.
Boom, right in the button.
What a counter.
Big four. Party's over. It's time to hit the lights.
That's going to keep Kelly down.
Is it enough? Two. Wow, just barely making it out.
You gotta be kidding me.
Surviving that maneuver is absolutely amazing. And there needs to be a refocus now. That was the moment that could have ended things, a moment that's being replayed in their heads right now.
He has him in his grasp.
Underhook suplex.
Well, that'll do some serious damage. He's looking a little weary now.
This is where endurance.
Look out.
From the heavens, what a leg drop.
Shoulders down. One, two. Now he kicked out at two. I cannot believe it.
Are you kidding me? Deep, deep trouble here for Priest. Might be looking for the roller coaster crucifix powerbomb. Seems to be the case. Up and into the powerbomb. MGK nailed all of it.
He kicks out somehow.
He's taking some serious hurt, but somehow he's still in this. I think he managed that kick out on pure instinct alone.
I've lost count of how many times this match had ended by now.
We are seeing a lot of guts, a lot of determination out there. You have to wonder where that one turning point to end this.
This is a look at a roller coaster, crucifix, and a powerbomb.
Did that finish creased off?
And MGK earns the victory.
So impressive.
These superstars put on quite a show. Here's another look. Here is your winner, Machine Gun Kelly!
That is the kind of win that opens